Specifically for inventory solutions, I particularly found Fishbowl extremely helpful.
When we have a client that they just need more robust inventory solutions, that's an area where I think Fishbowl thrives and shines.
I've seen so many benefits and just customers grow their businesses with our partners products like a Fishbowl.
Fishbowl implementation process was extremely supportive. They did whatever it would take to get us through the process.
You have to have an inventory software partner. There's a whole network of people that support it, professionals, consultants, and then a company that has a lot of internal support.
Fishbowl is the app that I would recommend. Having a system that you trust and know is giving you accurate data allows you to take your services to the next level.
I love the partner program because any support you need is you just reach out and they give it to you. Like, they really want you to succeed.
A lot of people talk about being a good partner, but I think Fishbowl actually puts that into practice, which is rare. They have a good product, so you don't have to worry about that. And the partner managers are all insane. They're so great to work with. It's literally a no-brainer.
They go to bat for that customer and they'll work extra hard. That's something that I really, really liked about working with the Fishbowl team.
At the end of the day, being able to get the right solution to the client at the right time, we can be confident that all of the issues that they have are going to be taken care of with the Fishbowl solution.